How to read tablature. Tablature consists of 6 lines representing the strings of the guitar. The bottom line is the thickest string and the top line is the thinnest string. They're done this way because the bottom note has the lowest pitch and the top note has the highest pitch. You read tablature from left to right like you read a book. So here, for example, you have an open string on the D string, the 2nd fret on the G string, and the 3rd fret on the B string. If you see several notes in a row, you play these at the same time, and it's usually a chord, and it usually has the chord name above it. Tablature is the same for left-handed and right-handed guitarists, and with practice you can learn any tune you want. Thanks for watching.